Hi everyone, I'm Sal DeLuca, Product Manager of the TA here at Allied Machine and Engineering. Being a Product Manager of the TA is pretty interesting considering the fact that it's been around longer than I have. The TA, through 4 decades of development and innovation, has really shown that it can stand the test of time. And I'm here to announce to you today that we've done it again. I'd like to introduce to you the TA Pro. The TA Pro is a culmination of a few years of development where we've really taken a deep dive into some of the shortcomings that we've seen dealing with new and modern materials and machinery. The big development for the TA Pro really was us breaking it down into ISO-specific geometries. Utilizing that platform, we've been able to really cater to specific material groups and show massive improvements in performance and in speed. And really, where the speed comes from has a lot to do with the new proprietary coolant design. The coolant in this tool is really it's impressive, and its ability to work hand in hand with the new insert geometries, with some of the other improvements that we've done with the holders, just the speed is unbelievable. It's faster than I've ever thought we could go with a spade drill, and really it's not a spade drill. It's a high penetration drill. The results that we're seeing from this tool are just unlike anything we've ever seen before. Go to alliedmachine.com for more information on TA Pro, launching in October.